Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I set up my Prusa XL 3D printer with a custom enclosure and a ventilation system. Finding the right stand for the Prusa XL was quite a challenge, but I think I found a great solution for my situation. I started by searching for something that could support the Prusa XL and fit perfectly in my space. After exploring a bunch of Ikea hacks for smaller Prusa models, I came across the Ikea Tornviken kitchen island. It's a bit pricey, around $400, but it turned out to be the perfect size and it looks great too. Putting it together was quite the project. Once assembled, I found it a bit tall for me, so I had to trim about 2.5 inches off the legs to get it at a comfortable working height. I designed and 3D printed the enclosure parts using Fusion 360 and Polymaker filament on the Prusa XL. I purchased plexiglass for the enclosure from a local vendor and had them cut it to the basic size, and I did some of the more detailed cuts using a saber saw. The purpose of this enclosure is to keep fumes and particles to a minimum since I've had reactions to some PLA filaments in the past. This setup should also work well for other filaments, although I haven't tested it with all of them yet. It took a lot of trial and error to get the design right. I went through several rolls of filament as the project evolved, but I'm pretty happy with the result. Some of the parts could be improved for aesthetics, but I'm leaving it as is for now. Next, I needed to address the ventilation. For air quality, I installed a $35 monitor from Amazon to keep track of any potential issues. I also added a Vivor ventilation fan with temperature and humidity control, which I picked up from Home Depot for around $60. To manage airflow, I used a flexible duct hose kit and printed some reducers to make everything fit smoothly. And there you have it, the Prusa XL setup with a custom enclosure and ventilation system. It was a bit of a journey, but I'm thrilled with how it turned out. If I move the filament from the sides of the printer to hang it from the top of the enclosure, I should be able to have enough room for two Prusa printers XLs someday. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.